Hey, what's up, Reef Finance coin holder? What's going on this time? Reef Finance in last 24 hour, just and only in last 24 hour, 17.38% prices increase. Can you believe this, my friend? This is 100% clear, my friend. To Reef Finance is one of the fastest cryptocurrency and its priority from all coin. Definitely, it is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. You can see at this time get a very huge profit. 0.033903 USD dollar is the highest price, and the current price is 0.033419 USD dollar. So it's not in big difference, my friend. In the prices, definitely the price is increasing. So therefore, I hope my friends today will give you a very good profit at the end of month. But my friends, please after a huge pump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. So therefore, I told you in my every video to please you will need to be active. This time, my friend, the if you are trading, my friend, and Reef, absolutely you will need, my friends, to be active, because there is also chances to they will dumps down. So absolutely if they will dumps down, then you will need, my friends, to urgently sell it and get a very huge profit. But for that you will need to be active. If you are sleeping, then absolutely you will lost very badly. So kindly hold at this time. SLPL, refinance is completely on the profit. Please holders, you will need, my friends, to also, if you have any plan to invest more, than invest now. I hope in the last 10 days of every month every coin will completely get a profit. But it's chance, my friend, when a coin war fails down. But in this time refinance is in the profit, so there is also chances in upcoming times refinance will fail down. So therefore everything is going something very badly wrong, because whether there is also, I can't expect, my friends, to they will moving upward, but it is also possible to they will completely go to the moon like a rocket. So thanks for watching Reef Finance coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money from crypto, click out the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification.